Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get this AI mermaid filter on TikTok. So if you're living in UK and you're not able to get this AI mermaid filter, then let me show you how to create this video in the UK. So for this, we'll need TikTok and we'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In your TikTok app, you want to go ahead and search for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit that profile. Now stay till the end of this video as that filter will appear right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the type of video which we're going to create, where you'll basically turn yourself into a mermaid. Now go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template, and then go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. And now go ahead and tap on Use AI Template. Now you want to go ahead and post a picture of yourself. And then you want to go ahead and let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it a few minutes. Now once the effect has been applied, if you press play, you'll see the video. And once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. Now you want to go ahead and press Next, add a caption and then your cover page. And go ahead and post this to your TikTok account. Now for those of you who are trying to find this filter, you want to go ahead and visit Test the Simple Dad on TikTok. And now down below here, you'll see the AI mermaid filter. Tap on this and then tap on CapCut, try this template. Then follow the instructions on this video. So there you go guys, that's how to get the AI mermaid filter on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.